English for kids. Who in a sentence? 1. Who is that? 2. Who are you? 3. Who is your friend? 4. Who is at the door? 5. Who is coming to the party? 6. Who is your teacher? 7. Who is in the picture? 8. Who is playing outside? 9. Who is your best friend? 10. Who is eating the cake? However, in a sentence. 1. I want to play outside. However, it's raining. 2. She likes ice cream. However, she is lactose intolerant. 3. I studied hard for the test. However, I didn't do well. 4. He wanted to buy a new bike. However, he didn't have enough money. 5. We planned a picnic. However, it was too windy. 6. The dog wanted to play fetch. However, it was too tight. 7. She wanted to go to the party. However, she had a lot of homework. 8. He likes football. However, he doesn't play it often. 9. I love the beach. However, I'm afraid of the water. 10. We were excited about the trip. However, the flight was delayed. 11. I enjoyed reading books. However, I don't have much time. 12. He was hungry. However, there was no food at home. 13. She wanted to bake a cake. However, she was out of flour. 14. The movie was interesting. However, it was too long. 15. I want to play outside. However, it is raining. 16. She likes ice cream. However, she is lactose intolerant. 17. I studied hard for the test. However, I didn't do well. What in a sentence? 1. What is your favorite color? 2. What do you like to eat for breakfast? 3. What is your favorite game to play? 4. What did you do yesterday? 5. What books are you reading? 6. What time do you wake up in the morning? 7. What do you like to do on weekends? 8. What is your favorite animal? 9. What is your favorite subject in school? 10. What did you learn today? 11. What kind of music do you like? 12. What sports do you play? 13. What are your hobbies? 14. What do you want to be when you grow up? Which in a sentence? 1. Which color do you like best? 2. Which toy is your favorite? 3. Which book are you reading now? 4. Which fruit do you want to eat? 5. Which game do you want to play? 6. Which animal do you like the most? 7. Which school do you go to? 8. Which jacket is yours? 9. Which movie did you watch last night? 10. Which song do you sing in the shower? 11. Which class do you have today? 12. Which friend do you want to call? 13. Which restaurant do you want to visit? Therefore, in a sentence. 1. It rained all night, therefore the streets are wet. 2. I studied hard, therefore I passed the test. 3. The dog was hungry, therefore it ate all its food. 4. The movie was funny, therefore we laughed a lot. 5. He missed the bus, therefore he was late for school. 6. The power went out, therefore we used candles. 7. She forgot her lunch, therefore she was hungry at noon. 8. We finished our work early, therefore we had extra play time. 9. The team practiced a lot, therefore they won the game. 10. The store was closed, therefore we couldn't buy milk. 11. He didn't do his homework, therefore we couldn't play outside. 12. The sun was shining, therefore we went to the park. 13. The cake was delicious, therefore everyone wanted more. 14. The car ran out of gas, therefore we had to walk. 15. She lost her keys, therefore she couldn't enter the house. 16. The book was very good, therefore I read it again. 17. The flowers were wilting, therefore I watered them. Respected friends, love this post. Save this post. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share with as many people as possible. Visit YouTube channel IELTS TOEFL English Teacher. May God bless all of you. Amen.